Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You jump straight into photo mode now. Press the pause menu option or your hotkey and pick the match you want. Once inside, choose a camera preset to lock basic framing because that saves time while you compose. Turn off the HUD for a clean image and make sure resolution and aspect ratio are set to what you need. 16, 9 for widescreen, 4, 3 for portrait-style cropping. Once done with the basics, move the free camera to refine distance, height, and angle. You want dynamic angles, low for power, high for scale, because composition sells the shot. Make lighting and weather adjustments to emphasize colors or silhouette. These settings fundamentally change mood. Then tweak focus, focal length, and depth of field. Take quick test shots to ensure highlights aren't blown out and the mesh remains. To finish, apply filters, color grading, and a subtle vignette to unify the scene. Export at your chosen resolution and file type so quality stays intact. Make sure you save a preset for this look, because repetition speeds future shoots and backup images to the cloud or an external drive. If capture or export fails, check hotkeys, GPU drivers, and free disk space first. Restart the game if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.